In this ukulele tutorial and play along, sing along, we're going to do Tom Petty's Mary Jane's Last Dance. Last dance with Mary Jane. One more time to kill the pain. Watch this now. I feel summer. All right, so welcome. This is going to be a fun video. We do have a backing track. We're going to be doing some playing, some singing. I'm going to show you all the chords and the rhythms. But first of all, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Turn on that bell notification. That way you stay up to date on all the tutorials and reviews we do here on ukulele, guitarlele, and the baritone as well. So anyway, this is one of my my favorite songs. Rest in peace, Tom Petty. If you have any trouble with this, you want to grab the chord sheet, the lyrics, the backing tracks, go ahead and sign up below. We're going to give that to you. All right, so let's just dive into this thing. That's your intro and your verse. 3 simple chords, A minor, G, and the D chord. All right. The rhythm, well, I'm just going to show you one rhythm. You can do it for the whole time. I may throw some variations in it, but this is a great place to start. Okay, so grab your A minor. It's just going to go down, 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 down. I'm just using my index finger. I do have a low G. If you have a high G, totally fine. Doesn't matter if you're on soprano, concert, or tenor. Totally fine with this song. All right, so that's just going to go 1 and 2 and. We're going to use that rhythm for every chord. Okay, that was only 2 beats. So on beats 3, you're going to go to the G chord, do the same thing. Down, 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 up. Next measure, D, down, 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 up. And then back to the A minor. And 4. That's it. That's your intro, and that's your first. And matter of fact, that's the majority of the song. Let's do that nice slow. 3, 4, and A minor. That's it. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. All right, then we're going to jump to the chorus part. And by the way, we are going to have a backing track. It does sound killer. Again, you can sign up if you want to grab that backing track, the chord chart and everything like that. And also, just in case if you're having any trouble with this stuff, or you just want to explore the other lessons that I had, maybe you like me, you like my style, whatever, check out ukelikethepros.com. We got a premium membership up there. We got a bunch of courses as well, from blues to jazz to songs, progressions, music reading. It's all up there, ukelikethepros.com. All right, when we get to the chorus part, it's going to go on the E minor. Now, I always do my E minor, this 4-finger one. If you want to do just the 3-finger one, that's totally fine. I just prefer this one. Okay, it's going to go 2 measures of that E minor. You can do the same rhythm. So 1, 2, 3, 4 again. 1, 2, 3. Now to the A chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Now back to the E minor. 3. Same rhythm now. Ba-dee-da-dee-dee-da-da. 2, 3 to the A minor. Just for one time though. And watch this. 3 to the G and hold 2, 3, 4 and right back to the intro verse progression. All right, and that's it. So simple. Although the track, if you listen to the actual real track, Tom Petty, it's amazing. Mike Campbell's doing all this really cool guitar work, harmonics, stuff like that. So anyway, sounds amazing. Go listen to it, by the way, in case you haven't. All right, but I think we're ready. Let's go ahead. We're going to dive in now. We're going to do it with the backing track. We're going to do just the intro, verse, chorus, intro, verse, chorus. Okay, so even though there's 3 verses and chorus for this song, we're just going to do 2 verses and 2 choruses. Let's see where you're at. 1, 2, 3, and... Mama that never was around, but she grew up tall and she grew up right with the Indiana boys on the Indiana nights. right, how did you do? Wasn't too fast with the backing track, just kind of a nice tempo. You notice I threw some variations in, especially on the chorus part with the rhythm. Totally fine once you get the basic down. I also threw in a couple cool chords, right? A minor, sorry, A, this is the chorus part. And then I went up to this inversion, A slash C sharp. And then I went up to one more inversion, up here, the A slash E. So anyway, just kind of a cool little trick to give that same chord, static chord, a little bit of melody. So anyway, don't forget, if you need the chord charts, the lyrics, all that stuff, the backing track, we're going to let you sign up for that and get that stuff. Also, if you need more help, want to become part of the great ukelikethepros community, check out ukelikethepros.com. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Leave a comment below if Tom Petty is right up your alley. I appreciate you being here, and we'll see you next time.